Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to erase on Canva mobile app. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's open a design. Okay, for example, I want to remove this paper from this image. So just click on the image and select effects right over here. Sorry, not effects. You have to select Magic Studio. Just click on it. And here select Magic Eraser. Okay, now just select the area which you want to remove. Going to select this one. You can increase or decrease the brush size from here. Now just click on erase. And that's it. As you can see, that's how you can erase something from your image in Canva. Just wait a minute. Okay, as you can see, the paper is completely removed from the image. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.